Good morning, folks, and hope you're having a wonderful Mother's Day this beautiful Sunday. Folks, what I have here is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, former California Highway Patrol unit with 88,000 miles and only 3,900 idle hours, give or take. Folks, I'm going through the whole car. A lot of new parts, cleaning everything out, and I just want to give you a first look what's happening here with this unit behind the scene in my beautiful little garage. Starting off with new headlights, original equipment headlights, the famous California Highway Patrol hood with the little air vents right there. All right, folks, jumping in here to the interior, you guys are gonna see that I have ripped open the whole vehicle. Folks, let me tell you, this is not easy and it takes a lot of work, and you have to know what you are doing. That is the most important thing. And if it was easy, everybody will be doing it, but that's not the case. All right, folks, this vehicle did have a carpet interior. However, the carpet interior was severely stained and it was ripped open. He had some tears on the driver's side as usual. Talked to my upholstery guy. He goes, dude, just replace the floorboard, put a vinyl floor on it. I'm not even gonna try to charge you $600 to put a new carpet. So I went ahead and left it alone, and I already knew that myself. So spotlights, let me backtrack here. Spotlights were put back into this vehicle with new Unity light bulbs. Oh, there you go. Everything does work. Once again, everything came off apart on this vehicle, folks. I'm being very particular how I want this car to look. All four steel wheels were reconditioned, repainted yesterday, so they look brand new all over again. Seats are removed. I'm gonna clean them up over here. It's a lot easier for me to clean them up outside of the car. That's one of my toys, and hopefully I have some time to go ride her today. Panels, trim panels, everything has been removed, folks. I washed everything. I want everything super clean on this one. Vehicle has been registered as well to my name. And if you are watching this, I'm giving the car the whole CHP look with the antennas, with the exception that it's not a black and white. So yeah, it does have black paint. Vehicle was painted black, but it's gonna have the same setup, antenna setup as the CHP vehicle have. Okay, that's the driver's side seat. This is gonna be the old carpeting floor. Once again, folks, there was no need for me to throw all that money in a carpet, and believe it or not, a lot of guys that I deal with, they do prefer the vinyl flooring. Why? Because it's a lot easier to clean and maintain. So this floorboard is gonna go inside the car. I'm putting it together. This is gonna be probably maybe 3/4 of the day, depending how fast I move. So I got my Sunday cut out for me. I got a lot of work, a lot of fun. I can be here the whole day, no problem. And I already talked to my mamacita and told her to forgive me, but I gotta get this car done. So thankfully she's been very understanding of my situation. Headrests are there, switches, seat belts, I got everything, folks. Those are gonna be the rear panels here for the back seat, what makes up the back of the vehicle. Everything has been removed. Let me just show you. I washed them, cleaned them, so they do look nice and clean. They're not even dusty at all. Once again, I'm being particular in this particular unit here. So folks, stay tuned. I know it's Sunday and you're busy with your families, which is great. But folks, let me get back to it, and then stay tuned. Hopefully she's ready for sale sometime next week once I'm completely done, or the following week. No rush. Guys, thanks for looking, and happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day.